Hi everyone, it's Sugur and I will show you today how you can get 300 USD credit on Google Cloud Platform so that you can use in your projects, especially for the AI and stuff. There are definitely too many things that you can do with that credit, but I will show you how you can do it for Gemini API. First of all, I will go to Google Cloud Platform, and as long as I search for it, I can see that Google already advertised this one. So I will click on that one and I'll say get started for free. By the way, I just created my account, but it doesn't matter if you have an account that you use for a long time. As long as you didn't get the free credit ever, you can just do the same things. But anyways, maybe you don't get prompted this as you may have that information already. I just simply click yes, and I will put my contact information. It doesn't matter that much. I will just select individual, and I'm not sure if, yeah, okay. It doesn't even matter, I guess. But you just put your correct address. Yep. Okay, all good. So for that, you need to add a payment method. Otherwise, they don't give you the credits. I suggest you to enter a virtual credit card. Let's save the card. And I already used this card, by the way. So you can use same card for multiple accounts. So if you ever run out of credit, even though it's forbidden and you can get banned, as your credit runs out, you can just switch it to another account. I don't recommend you to do that, but yeah. Anyways, you get me. So I'll just click start free. Blah, blah. I'm just clicking. I don't care. Yep. All good. All good. Perfect. So from as you can see, my free credits is just appeared on the header, and I can see that I'm in the free trial. They gave me 300 USD credits until March 8th. So that's good. So what can I do with it? I could use any stuff here, like cloud APIs and marketplaces, roles and stuff. I don't know. But you have to be careful because sometimes the credit doesn't include some services. So we are all good. And what I'm going to do is I'll just go to AI Studio Google here. Oops, I did something wrong. I'll go back. Google AI Studio. Yeah, that one. And what I'll do is say yes, continue, get API key and create API key video. So you have to have a cloud project, you see? So let me create a project. It's so easy. After creating the project, it will be automatically selected, which I will do. Just click create key. After it's done, you see it says free tier, which means that you're gonna get rate limited after some requests. That's why you have to set up the billing. I'll just click the link and I'll go to the billing to link my account to the credit card I just entered. Just click link a billing account and I will see my billing account is the default one that we have just created in the beginning, and that's done. I can also see that free trial credit is 300 USD. I have 91 days left to spend this credit. I go back and reload the page, so it should affect right away. You see, activate billing. So here's the thing. If you don't activate, you will get rate limited. But if you activate, you have to be careful because if your credit runs out, it's going to bill you. So you have to check your free credits before it runs out. Otherwise, you're just going to have to pay after your credits runs out. So I will just click activate. Don't worry. So the free trials disappeared, but don't worry, it's still there. If I go back to Google Studio and refresh the page, I can see that I'm tier 1 now, and still it's not gonna be built. I'm gonna copy my API key. I will need it. I'll just call cloud dangerously skip permissions. Yeah, so perfect. I'll just say create Node.js server runs at 555. It needs to use Google AI package. I don't remember the name, but I think it's gonna find it and create an env example with Google API key field. Create an endpoint for chatting with AI. So I will let AI to build this app. I'll just wait for him to do it. By the way, if you're looking for someone to work on your project or build your SaaS, let's contact. Yeah, I mostly use AI to build projects now. It's so much easier, faster, and secure, I believe. I just check the code generated by AI. It's fairly a basic app, and it uses the Google generative AI. It uses CommonJS, but that's fine for this app. I don't mind. Let's use Gemini Flashlight 2.5. No, it was 2.5 Lite, like this. And for the env, I'll just put my key here like this. So I will disable that after the videos. That's fine. But while other is, I will just run the server. Oh, I need to download the packages. That's perfect. And as you can see, server is running. I'll open my Postman, paste the request, send the request. Gemini Flash 2.5 Lite is not found. Is this wrong? Gemini 2.5 Flash. Oh, here we go. I think I need to start the server again. Let's try again. Yeah, as you can see, it's done. And if I go back to Google AI Studio, we use it. As you can see, I made one total request. Billing will take some time to load, but as I said, it's free for 300 USD. If you search for credits on the search bar and go to credits, all credits page, you will see that free trial is available. And so don't worry about it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next videos. See ya.